This one's already on the first floor. I don't get it. Why is it not opening? Maybe it's broken. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at these beautiful cabs. Uh-oh. Oh, it's unlocked. I saw the card scanner. I got worried, but wow, these are actually really nice for Gen 2. The light's a little flickery though on camera. It's not like that in real life. All the levels that are locked, it's the parking level. I didn't want to talk while the doors were open because there was an office right out there and I didn't want to raise suspicion. I wanted to be like, what's he doing? Why is he filming the elevator? These are fancy though. I really like these cabs. Look at that. This is beautiful. Very nice. Anyway, back up to one. Must be the number if you get stuck to call. Oh look, this is a map of Denver. That's very neat.